Okay, so we see what's happening here, right? So we have, let me back it up before I did that second power thing. Let me show the action one more time. Okay, so when you have two square roots, that's what this is all about. When you have two square roots, what you're going to do, step one, you're going to parentheses second power both sides. That's what we do with roots, because roots and two powers are opposites of each other, right? You getting that theme? We've seen that several times now. If you have a root, you do a two power. If you have a two power, you do a root. They're opposites of each other. So we parentheses second power both sides. Here I put the parentheses second power both sides. Okay, but then here's what happens. The second power and the roots cancel each other, but anything not in the root gets the second power. Let me finish that up. So what am I talking about? Well, one more time here. Let me be clear on this. This 2 cancels this root, but the 3 is not in the root. So he's not protected. He gets squared to become 9. Whereas the 4x plus 4, and then over here, the 6x plus 71, they do not get squared. Why not? Because they were under the root. And the root was canceled by the 2 power. The root is canceled by the 2 power. So whatever's under the root doesn't get touched. But the number that was outside of the root, the 3, he has to get squared. 3 squared is 9 because he wasn't protected. It's like not having an umbrella. He gets rained on. He gets 2 powered on, right? Oh, there we go. All right. Sorry, kind of a dorky analogy, but I think you get it. All right, so we good there? We've got rid of the roots now, don't we? There's no more roots. Now what's going to happen? Boom, boom, it's going to distribute. 36x plus 36, 6x plus 71. So I just distributed that 9. Any number outside of parentheses just multiplies the numbers inside of the parenthesis. So now step 3, solve for x. Meaning start by subtracting the lower x from both sides. So we're going to solve for x, subtract the lower x from both sides. So I'm going to come in here. Here's the wall. And I'm going to subtract 6x, subtract 6x from both sides. What do we got? 30x. We good there? We're trying to solve for x now. So just subtract the lower x from both sides. And then I think you know what to do from here. We just subtract the 36. You probably already knew what to do from the previous step as well. And what do we got? These are gone. 30x is something. I don't know. What's that? 35? Yep. And then last step to get x alone, you know it. Just divide by the 30. And so x equals 35 30s. But of course, that fraction needs to be reduced, right? So divide by what? 5. And most of your calculators will reduce automatically. Be glad to help you with that after class. Hang out and help you with that. 7 6. So that's the answer to the question. Like I said, most of your calculators, you have a fraction mode. And I'd be glad to show you how to use that to make fractions reduce automatically for you, so you don't have to mess with them. 7 6. There's the answer. And they want the as a fraction. They want an improper fraction. So 7 6 is the answer. So there we go. Questions on that one?